Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 10th class previous year's question papers, quadratic equations. In this quadratic equations, I am starting with the 2 marks question, and the first question is find the discriminant of find the discriminant of the quadratic equation equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0, and hence write the nature of the roots, and hence write the nature of the roots. Hence write the nature of the roots. This is the question. So quadratic equation is 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So what is the discriminant? Discriminant D is equal to b square minus 4ac, where a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, c is constant term. So coefficient of x is b is minus 5. Along with the sign you have to take minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a is 3 into c is 2. That is 25 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So you are getting discriminant as 1. That means discriminant is greater than 0. Therefore, the roots are real and unequal. They are real and unequal. This is the answer for this first problem, children. Copy. Now, let us see the second one. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. The roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Roots means you have to split the middle term and find it out. So x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So minus 3 into x square minus 3x square. You have to find its factors in such a way that when you add you should get minus 3, when you add you should get plus 2, and when you multiply you should get minus 3. So plus 2 if you want, actually when you multiply two numbers you should get minus, means what, children? Definitely one should be plus and one should be minus. Okay, so 2x, it is plus 2x. That means if I write 3 minus 1, I am getting 2. So I'll write it as 3x minus x, so that I'll get a plus 2x. So x square plus 3x minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. So here x into x plus 3 minus 1 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. So minus into plus minus. So be careful, children. So x minus 1 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. If x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1. If x plus 3 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 3. Therefore, the roots are 1 or minus 3. This you can write 1 or minus 3 or 1 comma minus 3 you can write. This is the answer for the second problem, children. Please copy. Now, next third problem. Third problem. Find the values of k. Find the value of k for which the quadratic equation for which the quadratic equation 4x square plus 5kx plus 25 is equal to 0 has equal roots. Okay, so roots are equal, they have given. Roots are equal. What do you mean by that? That means d is equal to 0. Discriminant will be 0 only when then the roots will be equal. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is b? 5k. So 5k whole square minus 4 into a is 4 into c is 25 is equal to 0. That is 25k square minus 25 fours are 100 into 4 400 is equal to 0. So 25k square is equal to 400. So what is k square? K square is equal to 400 by 25. 5 5s are 5 8s are 0. 5 1s are 5 6s are. So k square is equal to 16. K is equal to root of 16. Therefore k is plus or minus 4. This is the answer for k value, children. Since they said quadratic equation has equal roots means discriminant is equal to 0. So basing on that you are getting this problem. Write down this. Next sum. Fourth problem. Find the sum and product of roots. Find the sum and product of roots of the quadratic equation of the quadratic equation x square minus 4 root 3x minus 4 root 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. Find the sum and product of the roots they are asking. Product of the sum and product of the roots means alpha sum of the roots. Formula is minus b by a. That is minus of minus 4 root 3 by 1, that is 4 root 3 is sum of roots. Now product of roots. Product of roots is equal to C by A. Sum of roots means alpha plus beta. Product of roots means alpha into beta. C by A. C is constant term. 9 by 1, that is 9. So we are getting sum of roots. Sum of roots is equal to 4 root 3. Product of roots is equal to 9. These two are the answers. Children, write down. Now we'll go to the next sum. Fifth sum. Write the nature of the roots. Write the nature of the roots of the equation x square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0. To know the nature of the roots, you have to find out what is the value of discriminant, that is d, is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b is minus 8 whole square minus 4 into a, coefficient of x square is 1, and 16 c, constant term. 64 minus how much, children? Again 64. 16 4 are 64. So you can get, these two will get cancelled, 0. So d is equal to 0. Therefore, the roots are real and equal. This is the nature of the roots for this problem, children. Please copy it. Next, sixth one. Write the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Write the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation 2x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So, nature of the roots, discriminant. Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b is minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 6. 25 minus 6 2s are 12, 12 4s are 48. So from 48, if you subtract 25, 3 and 2, 48 has a negative, so minus 23. So discriminant is less than 0, negative values. Therefore, the roots are unreal. You can write them as unreal roots or complex roots or imaginary roots. Anyway, you can write the answer, children. I wrote here unreal roots. Write down this. Next. Seventh one. Find the value of k. Find the value of k if 2 is one of the roots. If 2 is one of the roots of the quadratic equation, the quadratic equation x square minus kx plus 6 is equal to 0. So the equation is x square minus kx plus 6 is equal to 0. One of the roots is 2. Roots means the value of x is 2 they have given. So root value is given as 2. Therefore, in x square minus kx plus 6 is equal to 0, I am substituting 2. 2 whole square minus k into 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. 4 minus 2k plus 6 is equal to 0. That is 10 minus 2k is equal to 0. So 10 is equal to 2k. So if 2k is equal to 10, k is equal to 10 by 2, 2 ones are 2 5s are. Therefore, k is equal to 5 is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. Now, let us go to the 8th sum. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 in ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then what can you say? Then what can you say about the roots of the equation? About the roots of the equation. This is the question, children. They have given b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. That means discriminant is greater than 0. Therefore, the roots are real and unequal. This is the nature of it. Next problem I will do it. Check whether 1 and 3 by 2 are the roots of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. So, we have got equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Check whether 1 and 3 by 2 are the roots. Suppose you consider this as p of x. P of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 3. So, what are we getting here? 2 into 1 square 2 minus 5 plus 3. 5 minus 5, 0. P of 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 is the root. Okay, so 1 I have done. I have taken P of x. Don't write e is equal to 0, children. This is about P of x. Now again, I am taking P of x is 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Now I am supposed to find out P of 3 by 2. So 2 into 3 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 3 by 2 plus 3. That is 2 into 9 by 4 minus 5. 5 into 3 by 2 means I can write it as 15 by 2 plus 3. So here 2 ones are 2 twos are 9 by 2 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. So I can take LCM 2. If I take LCM as 2, 9 as it is minus 15 as it is plus 3 twos are 6. So this is equal to 9 plus 6 is 15 minus 15 by 2. These two will get cancelled, 0 by 2. So P of 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 3 by 2 is the root. Therefore, 1 and 3 by 2 are the roots of the given equation. This is the answer, children. Please copy it. Copy, children. No, 10th one. Construct a quadratic equation having the roots log 8 to the base 2 and log 100 to the base 10. See, children, this is a problem which is the combination of real numbers and quadratic equations. So, let us say first log 8 to the base 2 can be written as log 2 cubed to the base 2. That is 3 log 2 to the base 2. That is 3 into any log to the same base is 1. This is 3. Therefore, alpha value you can take it as 3. Now, log 100 to the base 10 can be written as log 10 squared to the base 10 to log 10 to the base 10. That is 2 into 1, that is 2. So, alpha and beta is equal to 2. You have got alpha is 3, beta is 2. Now, what is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is x square minus x into alpha plus beta is equal to 0. So, x square minus x into alpha is 3 plus beta is 2 plus 3 into 2 is equal to 0. So x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the answer, children, for this problem. Write carefully. I think better you understand this sum, children. This is a combination of real numbers and a quadratic equation. So you know about how to convert logarithms into logarithms conversion, exponential forms. Actually, this is logarithm form only. In this logarithmic form, we are converting basing on the rule that log any number to the same base is equal to 1. In this way, we have proved. 10th problem. Now, 11th problem. Construct a quadratic equation construct a quadratic equation having the roots log 8 to the base 2 and cosecant 30 degrees. So see, children, it is again trigonometry and real numbers are combined with quadratic equation. So log 8 to the base 2 can be written as log 2 cube to the base 2, 3 log 2 to the base 2, 3 into 1, 3. Therefore, alpha is 3 you have got. Now cosecant 30 degrees. Cosecant 30 degrees can be written as 1 by sine 30 degrees because cosecant theta is nothing but reciprocal of sine theta. 1 by sine is cosecant. So this is equal to 1 by sine 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 into 2 by 1, that is 2 you have got. So beta is equal to 2. You have got alpha and beta. So quadratic equation is x square minus x into alpha plus alpha beta is equal to 0. X square minus x into alpha is 3 plus beta is 2 plus 3 into 2 is equal to 0. X square minus x into 5 plus 6 is equal to 0. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 is the answer for this problem, children. So write down this. Now with this, I have completed the 2 marks questions of quadratic equations, children. Children, whatever I am doing now is very, very beneficial for you for your final preparation. Please prepare these ones. They are very useful to you. And also inform to your friends about this channel. Let them also subscribe and let them to follow this topics. This will definitely help them to have good scoring.